I just turned a story idea into a full Studio Ghibli-style animation image by typing one sentence. And this is not just image generation. The same AI tool created a complete podcast voiceover from a single line of text.
Welcome to your daily AI news flash, the fastest way to catch up on the artificial intelligence world while you're on the go. I'm your host.
And that's not all. I pasted in a topic name, and within seconds, it gave me a fully designed presentation, clean, polished, and ready to go. Yes, you can download it too, in PowerPoint or PDF. But here is where things start to feel unreal. The entire website you are looking at, also built from just a few simple prompts. Text, images, layout, structure, no code, no hours spent designing. It's just there. Perfect. And it does not stop there. You can even create and launch a full game from scratch, even if you have never written a single line of code in your life. And here's the best part. You will get 1,500 sign-up credits instantly and 300 daily credits, completely free. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. To get your daily free credits, click the link in the description. It will take you straight to the sign-up page. Use your email to create an account. After signing up, you will be directed to the home page. At the top, you will see the credits we just received. If you are considering a premium plan, you can compare the available options. There are several options to choose from. Let's start with the image generation tool. Just as an example, I will use this prompt. Create a set of concept images for an animated film that blends Japanese anime, American comic style, and traditional ink painting. Click the Generate button. The tool will begin processing the project. Depending on complexity, it may take a few minutes. And here it is, generated in just a couple of minutes in that beautiful ink painting style. This image looks seriously impressive. To demonstrate its full potential, I asked it to generate scene-by-scene images for a short story idea in a Studio Ghibli-style animation. And look at the results. Scene by scene, the visuals are stunning. Honestly, these outputs are insane and far better than most paid image generators. It also has a video tool, but to use that, you will need a premium subscription. I will cover that in an upcoming video. Let me know if you are interested. Let's explore the slides option to generate a complete presentation. There are a few themes to choose from. I will select the sketch theme. You can also choose the number of slides. I am going with the second option. Now, I will ask it to create a presentation on environmental empathy. You can see the step-by-step process of generation. Here is the final result. The slides are beautifully crafted. Let's test the most powerful feature of this tool, generating entire web pages with zero coding. Here, I asked it to create a web page that displays NBA stats from the last 6 months. Since this involves more back-end logic, it may take a little longer to generate. But just look at the final design. A fully customized website with great fonts, clean layout, and smooth graphics. Let's check out the audio feature. Just for demo purposes, I will choose a pre-designed prompt to summarize the latest AI news in podcast style. I will set the duration to 2 minutes. Click Generate and wait for the process to finish. You can choose a male or female voice. And here we have it, the script and the voiceover, ready to go.
Welcome to your daily AI news flash, the fastest way to catch up on the artificial intelligence world while you're on the go. I'm your host, Manus, and we've got some groundbreaking developments to dive into from July 27th, 2025. First up, a major power play in the global AI landscape. Chinese AI firms are joining forces, forming 2 new industry alliances.
This AI tool can seriously level up your daily productivity. Fast, easy, and incredibly efficient. I cannot wait to see what you will create. Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to use the link in the description to claim your bonus credits. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.